Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you a tour of the new high section of the highway from Maypen to Mandeville that was just opened. We just went through the Maypen Toll Plaza and we're heading towards the Rio Mino Bridge where the new section of the highway starts and it goes all the way to Williamsfield. Now this section of the highway, it opened the middle of September, probably a month and a half ago. There were some tweaking left to be done when the highway was opened, so we're going to see what changes they have made since the opening. I think it's been probably 2 weeks since we've given you a tour of this section of the island, or this highway, so we're going to tour it today and see what's going on. So this highway cuts the travel time from Maypen to Mandeville to, let's say, 20 minutes. And you're driving on highway quality road like this. One of the issues that people have with this highway is the signage. They said they don't have enough proper signage, so people are getting lost. So let's see if they've put up any additional signs. Now, speaking of signage, there's a development going on over here. Let's take a look to see what's going on. Where does that road go? Actually, we will give you a tour of that development on the way back, because it's just a road, but some development is going on there. Now, anytime you have a highway going through a certain area, that area always flourishes. It has a lot of development because the highway makes it easier to get there. It's a proven fact that the areas around the highway do a lot better than the areas that, okay, they've actually covered up that sign, which is good. It said toll road ends. Alright, so this is where the new highway starts. Now you can see the difference in asphalt right here. So this is the new section. So we're going to give you a tour. On the right is where you would exit to before this section was open. That's where the existing highway ended. Okay, they've put up some signs here on the left, the blue signs. Now we're coming to the Maypen interchange, which is the largest diamond interchange in Jamaica. We have a lot of drone footage up, so you can check it out. Okay, they have the signage there that says Clarendon Park, Williamsfield, Mandeville. But there's no sign that says Maypen exit there. Or did we miss it? I don't remember seeing a sign that says Maypen exit. Not sure. We'll look back at the video. So this is the interchange now. This is actually an overpass that we're on. But this is a very nice road. Let's, with the signage put aside, very nice road. This is a job well done by China Harbour Engineering Company and the government of Jamaica, whichever one is responsible for building this road. Job well done. Now this road is free. It's actually free. You don't have to pay a toll to use it. There is negotiations going on between NROC, who represents the government, and Trans-Jamaica Highway, who operates toll plazas in Jamaica, as to who will get who. Basically, they're saying they're in negotiations as to the toll, but it's not the toll rate that's the issue. The issue is who will collect the toll. Now, the toll roads in Jamaica make billions of dollars in not only sales but profit. It's a billion-dollar industry. In the first 6 months of this year, the Trans-Jamaica Highway made $11 million US dollars in profit off the toll plazas. So it's $1 billion. That's almost 2 billion Jamaican dollars when you factor in the exchange rate. Some serious money. So they are locked in the negotiations. I think we have an idea of what the negotiations are about, but they haven't said it officially, so we'll leave it alone until it's official. But because they haven't been able to agree on the negotiations, they come to an agreement, the highway is free. So they made 11 million US profit without the revenue from the toll plaza that covers this leg of the highway. But this is a very nice road. Job well done. And we're soon going to have roads like this going all around Jamaica.